Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you when you're trying to connect your Android phone to a Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi is connecting but error is showing connected without internet, as you can see guys in my screen. But guys, this same Wi-Fi network was working fine on other devices like your Android PC. Only you're facing the issue on your phone. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through every possible solution, starting with the easiest fixes and moving towards more advanced troubleshooting. After each step, check whether your internet is working before moving on the next one. Let's get started. First, you need to open your Wi-Fi settings. Okay, now you need to forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi network. If you don't want to forget your Wi-Fi network, you need to enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds on your phone. Okay, like this. Wait 10 to 15 seconds at least and disable the airplane mode. Now try to connect your Wi-Fi network once again. Hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. So as you can see guys, the Wi-Fi is connecting on my phone. Now the problem is same, my problem was not solved. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to check your phone date and time setting. If the phone date and time setting was incorrect, you need to correct this, and then you need to forget your Wi-Fi network like this. After forgetting, connect it once again by entering your password. Now let's see the problem was fixed or not. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to restart your phone and your router compulsory one time. This refreshes the connection between your phone and the router. It also clears temporary DHCP issue that may prevent your phone from receiving a valid IP address. Reconnect to a Wi-Fi and test the connection again. Still the problem is same. Now you can move to the next method. If you are using a Samsung phone, for Samsung user this method is very important. Now you need to open your Wi-Fi settings once again. Go to your Wi-Fi network settings, tap on view more option, scroll down and find out privacy or MAC address type. If it's set to randomized MAC, switch it to phone MAC or device MAC like this. Okay, turn off your Wi-Fi, turn it on back and connect your Wi-Fi once again. Some routers don't work properly with randomized MAC address, preventing internet access even though the Wi-Fi connection appears successfully. After doing this step, still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now let's check another setting that often causes the issue. Once again, open your Wi-Fi settings, open your connected Wi-Fi network, go to view more option, scroll down, make sure your phone is using DHCP IP setting and check IP setting. Here you need to select DHCP setting. After doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one more time. After restarting, this will also help you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. If now you need to check if you're using any VPN or DNS app on your phone. You need to disconnect it from your, or you need to uninstall it from your phone immediately, because some VPN and DNS app can cause the Wi-Fi issue. That's why I need to uninstall it from your phone. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to reset your network settings on your phone. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out reset option. Open it. From here only you need to reset your network settings only. So this will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. Tap on reset and enter your password and once again tap on reset. That's it. After reset was successfully completed, go to your phone about section, go to software update and check for update. If there is update available, simply go ahead. You need to update your phone one time. After updating, now you need to connect your Wi-Fi once again. Open it, connect the Wi-Fi once again. Now check the problem was solved or not. Now 100%. As you can see guys, my problem was solved. The Wi-Fi was connected successfully. Close this. Now I will open some other app like YouTube. I will check how my internet was performing. As you can see guys, my internet was working very perfectly fine. So the last method was work with me. After resetting my network settings, it was solved my issue. Okay, so that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.